Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a ticket in Zendesk. Creating a ticket in Zendesk is an essential skill for anyone involved in customer support. Zendesk is a robust platform designed to streamline customer service by efficiently managing requests and inquiries. Understanding how to create a ticket is the first critical step in addressing your customers' needs and ensuring their concerns are handled promptly. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zendesk website. Once there, you'll notice a sign-in button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this button, and you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your credentials. Carefully input your email address and password. It's crucial to double-check these details to avoid any login issues. Once you're sure everything is correct, you can press Enter or click the Sign In button to access your Zendesk account. Now that you've successfully logged in, the next step is to start creating a ticket. Look for a button labeled Add on your dashboard. Clicking it will initiate the ticket creation process. At this point, you'll need to add a requester to your ticket. The requester is simply the individual who requires assistance or is reporting a problem. If the person is already in your Zendesk system, you can select them from a list. If not, you can easily add a new user by clicking Add User. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, such as the user's name and email address. Once you've filled in these fields, click Add again to proceed. With the requester set, it's time to decide who will handle the ticket. You'll find an option labeled Assign. Click there, and you'll be able to choose the most suitable team member for the task. Selecting the right person for the job is crucial to resolving the issue effectively and in a timely manner. Now we move on to the core of the ticket, the subject and content. Click on the field labeled Subject and type in a brief yet descriptive title for the issue. This helps you and your team quickly understand what the ticket is about at a glance. Following the subject, you'll find the content section. Here, it's essential to provide a detailed description of the problem or request. Clarity is key. Include all necessary details that the assignee will need to solve the issue efficiently. The final step in this process is to submit the ticket. Look for a button that says Submit as New and click it. This action officially logs the ticket into the Zendesk system and assigns it to the selected team member, setting the resolution process into motion. And there you have it. You've just created a new ticket in Zendesk. Remember, effective ticket management hinges on clear communication. Make sure the subject and content of your ticket are thorough, providing all the essential details for a quick resolution. This not only helps your team work more efficiently, but also leads to happier and more satisfied customers. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create a ticket in Zendesk. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips like this.